Hindi ako sinipot ng date ko eh. Going into dates, no? Let me just share with you. What are the two leading causes of suicide? Depression and stress. Pero what causes depression? Two main causes. Number two is financial difficulty. So yung may mga utang, medyo safe pa kayo. Hindi yung number one reason. Alam niyo kung ano yung number one reason? Love life. It's not even a joke. I just attended a seminar ng Philippine Psychiatric Association. Number one cause of suicide is mga because of heartbroken people, which causes depression and then suicide. So, yun. Anyway, so nung February nga, stressed out ako. Lucky date. Lucky date. So, ginawa ko, ang ginawa ko, stock market talaga ako. Pero, during this time, this is TransAsia. It's an oil company. And being an oil company, so, you need service. Kasi ang hirap pasukin, sila nakapasok na, and has a lot of contracts to supply oil all around the Philippines and even internationally. Etong TransAsia, noong February 21, bumagsak at 1.8 pesos per share. 1.80 pesos. So sabi ko, maganda to bibilihin ko to. So ngayon, moving forward, guess kung ano na yung presyo niya. Sabi ko kasi dito, nakikita nyo, sabi ko, tataas to. Siguro abot ng 2.40 target ko. After a couple of months, 2.40. Alam niyo kung magkano kinita ko? 75% of what I invested. So, if you can read through these charts, if you can just analyze this kahit pa paano, once you enter a good company, you can rest assured, as you can see, it's 240 right now, di ko pa siya binibenta. You can rest assured that you're going to make money. So that's the stock market for you. Ayos ba? Ayos? Kachik! Benta ko mamaya, maghanap ako dito. So, to do that, you need to understand how to read through charts. And it's very important. Kasi, as I said, hindi porket sikat yung kumpanya, or hindi porket alam mong maganda yung kumpanya, okay na yun. You always need to know when's the right time to enter. Because, so, if the stock market is all about sentiments, market sentiments. And the charts are reflections of it. When you say market sentiment, sentiment, yung word lang na sentiment, ano yung pumapasok sa isip niyo? Emotion. Puso. Gilas. Puro puso. And I tell you, one of the most emotional places you're going to be involved in, if you go here, stock market, sobrang emotional yan. Matampuhin yan, I tell you. You enter at a point na sobrang saya niyan, magugulat ka, biglang magiging malungkot. Bye. Goodbye. So, you have to make sure na pagpapasok ka, it's at the lowest point it could be. So, you have enough space for it to go up. So, market sentiment, emotions. Let me just play with this concept. What do you feel? Sister, example lang to. Wala tayong gagawin. What do you feel?
Excited.
Ano yun? May narinig ako, excited, happy, Ay, yung iba siguro, each person is to himself eh. So yung iba siguro, offended, I assume. Eh yung boys, sino happy sa boys? Ayaw aminin. How about this one? What do you feel? Express your emotion. What do you feel when you see... Sino ba to? David, wake up. Girls?
The boys.
Okay. Wow, choosy ah. Okay lang. Okay lang pala si David Beckham. How about this one? What do you feel? Puso. Sayang, we could have advanced. Konting kurot na lang eh. Eto, what do you feel? Stress. Maraming pera. Diyan, maraming pera. Kunin natin yung best tayo. So, you see, just by really looking at these photos, you felt emotion. And it's the same story when you look at charts. Makikita mo yung emotion ng tao. How they feel about that specific company at a specific time. Kasi when you look at charts, you will see if the investors are confident about it or not. So, what is this? This is another chart, ABS-CBN. This is another example. Noong October 2012, I had a seminar in Singapore. Sabi ko sa kanila, look at this chart. What do you see? Sabi nila, lines, circle, numbers. Sabi ko sa kanila, I see differently. I see money and opportunity. Anong date to? 2007. No, 2007. May 2007. Ito, May 2010. Tapos, nung time na yun, 2012. So, I was telling them, what happens every 3 years in the Philippines? Election. So, during election, what happens dun sa stock ni ABS-CBN? Tumataas. Wow! Tumataas. Oo nga, no? It happened in 2007. From almost 15 pesos, it went to around 35 pesos. In 2010, it went from a little below 30 to 55 pesos. So sabi ko, oh, October 2012 na yun. Mag-e-election na next year. Akit kaya to? What do you think? Ano price na dyan? It's a little below 25. Do you know what happened? This happened. Ito, as you can see, this is 24, went as high as 45 pesos. Kaching! Diba? So, if you can, what's the lesson here? If you can correlate how people react to events, ganun lang yan eh. If you can correlate how people react to events when they show confidence in a company, alam mo kung kailan papasok. So, yung chart, napapakita na yun. You can see if they are not happy with the stock or if they are happy with the stock. You would see. You would see. And you will be able to identify if this is the right time to enter or not. Ayos ba? Are you getting new ideas? Sinong hindi? Buti naman. So, okay na yan? Meron pa. I'm going through this slowly. Pero before that, that's it. I'll continue na muna. So, first thing is candlesticks. Now, let's put it, medyo technical, pero it's easy to understand. Yung kung nakikita niyo itong mga to, yung green, red, ang tawag dyan, candlesticks. But you need to know what they mean. Ito kasi, per stick, katumbas niyan, isang araw. Isang araw yan. One day. So ito, January 1, 2013, one day, umakyat siya. So, how do you know kung ano yung ibig niyang sabihin? Pag green siya, within the day, umakyat siya. Pag red, within the day, bumagsak. Ganun lang. Pero, yung simula, ito, kung saan siya nagsimula, na merong green, yan yung opening price within the day. Sinong nakakaalam kung anong oras bukas ang stock market? 9:30 to 3:30. Pero may break ng 12 to 1:30. So, whole day siya from 9:30 hanggang 3:30. So, yung kung ano man yung presyo niya ng 9:30 a.m., yun yung open. And yung presyo niya ng 3:30 p.m., yun yung closing. Kapag green. Kapag red, baliktad. Kung ano yung pag red naman, kung ano yung open niya sa 9:30, yun yung sa taas. Kasi bumabagsak na. Tapos yung close niya, yun yung sa baba. Clear ba? Ano ibig sabihin ng mga ganyan? Kasi within the day, gumagalaw yung presyo niya, di ba? So there are times na yung closing price, mas maakit pa siya sa closing price, then bumabalik lang. So, kung ano man yung highest price niya within the day, yun yung dulo. And yung lowest, yun yung baba. Same story dito. Lowest, yung pinakababa ng stick. Highest, yung pinakataas. So, ito kasi, use this para may guide ka on a daily basis kung paakyat na ba yung stock or hindi. Clear? Ayos. So, ganun lang kasimple yung candlesticks. Each stick represents one day that shows you what the highest price is, the lowest price is, opening and closing. So if you apply it dito, on a per day basis, can you see, dito tayo sa medyo mataas. Do you see this, yung green? Ano, saan ang opening? Sa baba, taas? Closing sa? Okay. So you got it? So, once you like this, yeah. So, once you know na how to look into the candlesticks, you know na how to draft the candles per day. And actually, if you have online brokers like COL Financial, ready na yan. You just have to look into it. Di mo na kailangan i-drawing. Nung nagsimula ako, dinadrawing ko pa yan eh. Dami kong papel, dinadrawing ko siya. Sabi ko, meron pala nito, dinadrawing ko pa. So, but it's important at least you know what it means. Moving average. So, now, once you know how to look into candlesticks, you need identifiers, kumbaga indicators, para malaman mo kung paakyat ba yung stock or pababa. So, doon papasok yung MACD, which is the moving average, convergence, divergence. Huwag nyo natandaan yan, MACD na lang, MACD. CCI, which is the Commodity Channel Index indicators, CCI na lang, and yung candlesticks kanina. So let me go through it. Simple lang to actually. Nakita niyo to, MACD. Can everybody see it? Medyo nasa baba eh. Okay. Yung blue line daw is yung short term. Parang 12 days siya na average ng stock. So for example, itong chart na to, yung past 12 days, i-average nila. So kung ano man yung closing price, i-add nila. They will add. So, kunwari, 270 plus 260 plus 250 divided by 12. Kasi divided by 12 days. Kung ano yung average nun, lalabas siya dito. Diyan, mapaplug siya. So, makikita mo, yun yung blue line. Yung yellow line, longer term, mas mahaba. 26 naman. I-average niya. Divided by 26. So ano daw sinasabi nito? Simple lang. Kapag yung stock daw, let's say ito, pag yung blue line, nagpalit ng point, kasi yung blue line dapat nasa taas. Tandaan niyo, dapat nasa taas siya. Pag yung blue line, nag-converge dun sa yellow, meaning, tinagos niya. So yung blue, nandun na sa baba. It's a sign daw na pwede nang bumagsak yung stock. Pag yung yellow naman, yung nasa taas, so pag yung yellow, kunwari, ito yung yellow, ito yung blue. So nasa baba yung blue, di ba? Yung short term. Pag yung blue naman daw yung tumagos sa yellow, coming from below, it's a sign daw na pwede nang umakyat yung stock mo. For example, ito. Nasaan yung blue? Di ba nasa taas? Kita nyo? Nasa taas yung blue. Pero nakikita nyo, parang nag-curve na siya. Parang babagsak na siya. Tapos yung yellow, lumalapit na sa kanya. Oh. Anong ibig sabihin nyo? Medyo malapit na bumagsak. So, just to connect, if you will look at the candles, pagdating dito, ang taas na masyado. Kita mo? Biglang ganun. Tapos biglang may red. Pak! Tapos nagkataon pa na yung MACD. Parang malapit ng abutin ng yellow yung blue. Malapit na magpalit. So, what does it tell you? Huwag mo na siya munang bilhin. Kasi most probably than not. And this is nung Friday lang ha. Friday lang to. And this is PLDT. Who doesn't know PLDT? This is a very big company. What does it tell you? Huwag mo munang bilhin. Tingin mo munang bumagsak. So as I said, not because you know what to buy, you can buy it anytime. You also need to know when to buy. So if you're going to buy PLDT today, pahinga muna. Huwag muna. Clear? Sino hindi nakuha? Nice. That's good. Okay ba ba? Gising pa ba kayo? Isang meron study eh. Sorry, I just attended the Philippine Psychiatric Association Forum. The best way to release stress, kunwari, naiinis ka, hindi mo maintindihan yung binabasa mo. You just have to stand up, scream, coming from the diaphragm. I tell you, gano'n lang yun. Na-stress ka sa boss mo, na-stress ka sa girlfriend mo, naiinis ka, wala kang ka-date, or naiinis ka na hindi mo maintindihan yung lesson, or naiinis ka na bumili ka sa 7-Eleven, hindi ka maintindihan yung tindero kasi Korean siya. So, what you have to do, stand up nga tayo. Let's stand up.